Investments. Next up, we have a caller who joins in. Sandeep Verma calls us all the way from Gujarat. Hi, Sandeep.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैडम.
Good afternoon.
तो मेरे पास मस्टेक का शेयर है 20 शेयर्स लिए मैंने 435 पे.
Okay.
और उसके अलावा यूपीएल का भी लिए हुआ है मैंने 20 शेयर 457 पे.
457 पे.
यूपीएल का.
Okay.
और मस्टेक का तो कल रिजल्ट आया तो उस हिसाब से डाउन जा रहा है, तो मतलब क्या करना चाहिए मस्टेक में और यूपीएल में, दोनों में लॉन्ग टर्म के हिसाब
जी.
या शॉर्ट टर्म में? शॉर्ट टर्म के हिसाब से मस्टेक में क्या करना चाहिए?
जी, हम आपका सवाल हमारे एक्सपर्ट को पूछते हैं. Kunal, what's your own view on this? Because you know, Mastech is not just down today, but if you take a look at the last 3 to 4 months, the stock has done nothing at all. It's been so very volatile, not giving any returns to shareholders. What would you advise him to do?
Well, I think yes. I think you've pointed out correctly, Sonia. I think the stock is going through a correction phase. My sense is I think the correction could last at least a couple of months more. And what could actually happen is the larger pattern which Mastech price chart is actually making could actually get fulfilled, and that's sort of a bearish pattern. I believe probably 350, 340 could also be possible. Also look at the fact Sonia, that most of these IT companies, names like TCS, HCLTech, and even Wipro, I think the results over the last few days which have come out has indicated that the price pattern could actually be a bit on the downside further. So looking at that as a holistic perspective for the sector as well as for the stock price pattern, I believe that it makes sense to get out of the stock at these levels, try and book losses over here. For UPL, I think it's a very good stock. Looking at the price pattern as well, I think it's going through a sharp correction because of the high beta nature of the stock. But my sense is if the stock corrects to say 400 or 420 odd range, I think it could be a good entry point for UPL. You can average out further your holdings and then extend your time horizon to 6 months or 1 year.
Okay, Sandeep, that's the advice for you. Mastech is a stock that you need to exit even if you're making losses over there. But UPL, you can remain invested. I think you've bought it at 457 already. So if it sees levels of about 400, that's where you can look to average in UPL.